human eye is one of the most valuable and sensitive sense organs. It enables us to see the beautiful and colorful world around us. The human eye works on the refraction of light through a natural convex lens made up of transparent living material. Main parts of the human eye are cornea, iris, pupil, ciliary muscles, convex lens, aqueous humor, vitreous humor, retina, optic nerve, and blind spot. Cornea. The light enters the eye through a thin membrane called cornea. It is the front portion of an eye and is made up of a transparent substance. Cornea is convex in shape and bulges outside. Most of the refraction for the light ray entering the eye occurs at the outer surface of cornea. Iris. Iris is the dark muscular diaphragm located just behind the cornea. It adjusts the size of the pupil according to the intensity of light received by the eye. The iris regulates the amount of light entering the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil. Pupil. The pupil is a hole in the middle of the iris. It appears black because no light is reflected from it. The pupil expands to allow more light to enter the eye if the intensity of the outside light is low, while it contracts if the intensity of the outside light is high. Ciliary muscles. The eye lens is held in position by ciliary muscles. The focal length of the eye lens can be changed by the action of ciliary muscles. When these muscles relax, the lens becomes thin, increasing the focal length. This enables to see the distant objects clearly. When these muscles contract, the lens becomes thicker and the focal length decreases. This enables us to see the near objects clearly. Eye lens. The eye lens, or the convex lens, is made up of a transparent, soft and flexible jelly-like material. This jelly-like material is made up of proteins. An eye can focus the images of the distant objects, as well as the nearby objects, on its retina by changing the focal length of its lens. This ability of an eye to focus the distant objects, as well as the nearby objects, on the retina by changing the focal length of its lens, is called as accommodation. Aqueous humor. The space between cornea and eye lens is filled with a viscous liquid called aqueous humor. It prevents the eye from collapsing due to the changes in the atmospheric pressure. Vitreous humor. The space between eye lens and retina is filled with another liquid called vitreous humor. Vitreous humor helps in maintaining the shape of the eye. Retina. The eye lens forms an inverted, real image of the object on the retina. Retina is a delicate membrane having enormous number of light-sensitive cells. The light-sensitive cells get activated upon illumination, and generate electrical signals. The light-sensitive cells are of two types, rods and cones. Rods respond to the intensity of light, and cones respond to the color of the objects. Optic nerve, the retina, sends electrical signals produced by light-sensitive cells to the brain through the optic nerve. This gives rise to sensation of vision. Blind spot. A small region of retina where the optic nerves enters the eyeball is insensitive to light and is called as blind spot.